Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. We're taking a journey to an island paradise that's often overlooked, but definitely deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. Kosrae. An island of pristine beaches and untouched nature in the heart of Micronesia. One particular beach that stands out is Walung Beach is a true gem of Kosrae. What makes Walung truly special is its pristine and untouched nature, or the soft white sand that feels like velvet under your feet, and tranquility that surrounds this hidden paradise. It's not just about the crystal clear waters that lap against the shore, but it's also about the serenity. You won't find any high-rise resorts or bustling crowds here. Instead, what you'll discover is a natural beauty that's so breathtakingly beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and want more travel tips and insights, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.